So also, tell me about these new boots.
Well, these are new boots. I ordered them from Amazon, not me.
Okay.
My wife did.
Okay.
So, very comfortable.
Okay.
So I'm good to go.
Would you recommend?
Yes, definitely.
5 stars?
5 star. It's squeaking, so that means the joints need to be greased.
So it's like a loud squeak? Can you like hear it from the street?
Yeah. Today we're gonna excavate the property and the sidewalk. You know, just try to install the sewer pipe from the inside trap to the curb line. Tomorrow we excavate the street and install the balance of the pipe up to the city sewer. We have to get inspection first. We don't have the room to do the whole job. We have inspection scheduled for PM. We don't want to have the street and this sidewalk open and don't get inspection, then you're going to have a problem. So what we usually do, we complete the property and sidewalk first, get inspection and that, backfill, make everything safe. Then we move to the street and take care of that.
Yeah, I'm looking for the water. I don't want to get the machine blocking the water. You know, this is electric. You know, the machine want to dig over here. I want everything perfect over here. I don't want to damage over here. You know.
We have 2 traps, one for the storm, one for the sanitary, and then they combine. There's a wire right under the foundation. Now you have one pipe after the wire. There's one pipe going out, but you have 2 traps inside. So they wire in together, and then one pipe goes to the street because there's a combined sewer in the street that collects the rainwater as well as the sanitary. So they wire it off and then goes off with one pipe.
I'm looking for the. I found the layer over here. Where, Daddy? Is that one?
Okay, so far we have removed the old sewer pipe from the trap in the basement up to the property line. So we're going to continue on the sidewalk and get inspection on that section today. And then tomorrow we're going to continue into the street.
You know, over here, he want to put a new trap, you know, he changed the trap, he put the old trap, he check it out, now he put a new trap.
We have all the pipe installed already. We're backfilling now. Property sidewalk is going to be backfilled, make safe, blacktop. Tomorrow we come back, we excavate the street and install the balance of the pipe. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
It's me, Rambo. Tang. That's it.